asked in GATE 2019 in 2 marks. So let's see what it is saying and what it is asking from you. Consider 3 machines M, N and P with IP addresses this. This is the M IP address, this is the N IP address and this is the N IP address, P IP address respectively. The subnet mask is this. Subnet mask is given for all the 3 machines. For all the 3 machines, which one of the following is true? Which one of the following is true? Okay. So subnet mask is given, as I told you, if the IP addresses are given and you need to find out the given IP addresses belong to the same network or different network, so you need to take the given subnet mask and need to do the bitwise AND operation with each and every given IP addresses. If the results are equal, if all the results are equal, then you can say that all the given IP addresses belong to the same network. If results are not equal, then you can say that the given IP addresses not belong to the same network. So here 3 IP addresses is given and the subnet mask is also given. Take the first IP address, that is what M IP address. What is this? 100.10.5.2 and do the bitwise AND operation with the given subnet mask. Okay, this is what 252. So as I told you, if all the bits of the octet is 1, then जो ऊपर होता है वही नीचे कॉपी हो जाता है. 100.10.5. We need to convert into binary. So what is the binary of this 2? So binary of this 2 is what? 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, 0 0 1 0. This is the binary of 2 and the binary of 252 is what? 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0. Right. So what you will get? 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. You will get what? 0. Okay. So this is the result of the M IP address. Take the N IP address. What is this? 100.10.5.5 and what is the subnet mask? 255.255.255.252. Fine. So what you will get? What you will get? So here 100.10.5. What is the binary representation of this 5? 0 0 0 0. Okay. 1 2 4 1 2 4. Okay. So 0 1 0 1. This is the 5 binary representation and what is the binary representation? 252 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. 6 and 0 0. Okay, so what you will get? 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0. So what you are getting? 1. What you are getting? 4. Dot 4. Dot 4 means these two results are not equal. M and N are results not equal. We can say that M and N are not on the same network. Okay, take the third P. 100.10.5 dot what 6 dot what 6. Okay, and the what is the subnet mask? 255.255.255 dot what 252. So what you will get? 100.10.5. okay, and what is the binary representation of 6? From here 6, this is 6 means what? 0 0 0 0. 4 and 2 6. 4 and 2 6. Okay, so 0 1 1 0 1 1 0. And what is 252? 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, 5 1 and 0 0. So what you will get? 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0. So what you are getting here? 4 dot 4 dot 4 means N and P results are equal. N and P results are equal. So we can say that N and P are on the same network and M is not on the same network. So let's see the options. M and P belongs to 3 different networks. No, 2 are on the same network. Only N and P belong to the same network. N and P belongs to the same network. Yes, both the results are equal. So option B is correct. Only M and N belong to the same network. No, because the results are not equal. No, that's why it's a false statement. False option. M and N and P or belongs to the same network? No. So which option is correct? Option B is correct. You can simply check that which IP addresses belong to the same network or not. So option B is correct. You can see the solution. You can see the solution. Okay. So which option is correct? Option B is correct. Means and P belongs to the same subnet because both have same fixed part. Or you can check like this, as I told you. Both have the same fixed part, so that's why option B is correct. Means and P belongs to the same network and M not belongs to the same network. Okay, thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.